In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Notion workspace, a process that can be handy if you're looking to downsize or reorganize your digital life. Let's walk through this step by step to make sure you have no issues along the way. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head to the Notion website. You'll want to go to www.notion.so. Once there, if you're not already signed in, make sure to log into your account using your email and password. It's always important to make sure you're accessing the correct account, especially when performing tasks like deleting a workspace, as this action is irreversible. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your main Notion page. Take a glance at the top left corner of your screen. Here, next to the Notion logo on the sidebar, you'll see the name of your workspace. Go ahead and click on your workspace name. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options to choose from. Within the drop-down menu, you'll want to find and click on Settings and Members, denoted by a small gear icon. This will open up another menu where you can manage various settings for your workspace. Once you're on the Settings and Members page, notice there are several tabs on the left-hand side panel. For our purpose, click on the tab that says Settings, which is typically the first option in the list. Now that you're in the Settings section, there's a particular place we need to get to, known as the Danger Zone. You'll have to scroll down all the way to the very bottom of the Settings page to locate this section. It's marked in red to indicate the seriousness of the actions you can perform here. Within the Danger Zone, you'll see several options, but our focus is on deleting the entire workspace. It's outlined in red and clearly marked, so it should stand out. Click on Delete Entire Workspace to initiate the deletion process. This will prompt a confirmation step because once a workspace is deleted, all the information contained within it is permanently erased. To confirm the deletion, you'll need to type the name of your workspace if prompted. This is a security measure to ensure you are intentionally deleting and not doing so by mistake. After typing in the workspace name, you'll need to click on the Delete button to finalize the deletion. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your Notion workspace. Remember, deleting a workspace is an action that cannot be undone, so always double-check before you proceed. If you're sure this is what you want, you should now have a little less clutter in your digital workspace. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you clearly and safely manage your Notion account.